Will you remember your past life regression from Dolores Cannon's Regression Workshop? Hi, I'm Jeff Broomfield, and I'm a hypnotist, and I guide people through past life regressions, and I host these regression workshops online and in person. And I do them quite regularly, so you can connect with me and get notification. I'll tell you about that later. But for now, I will give you the suggestion during the session that you're going to remember your session. And the reason it's going to be easier to remember is that in a group session, I can't take you into as deep as a trance as I do for the one-on-one sessions. One-on-one sessions, you got a microphone, and it's a guided tour, and you're actually talking back and sharing your experience as you go through. And most people remember their regression from that as well. But for the group workshop, I ask a question, I give you 30 seconds, and you do your visualization and stuff in your own head. And then after we visit 3 days in that past life. We go through the last day and go through the death process. And then we go to the other side and we ask some questions there. And then when I bring you back out, I give you time to write down everything. And so when you write that down, if you write it down right away, you're going to remember it. And it'll be like a dream. So if you wake up and you have a dream, you remember it right off the bat. And if you don't write it down or anything, then it just kind of floats away. And, during the course of the day, it just eventually disappears and it's completely gone. So you want to get it written down right away. And I'll give you some time for that during the session. That's once you come back out, you'll have a few minutes to do that. And then we have some time to share and talk about, if you want to talk about your session. If you don't need to, then you can hear other people talk about theirs. So you will remember your past life regression during the regression workshop. And in order to get notified of whenever I'm doing one of these sessions, either online or in person, you can go to my website at jeffbroomfield.com. And on there's a page for Dolores Cannon's group regression workshop. And you can join my email list there. And I'll put a link down in the description here somewhere along with the video. And as well, you can go to my Facebook group, and that's Dolores Cannon's Group Regression Workshop by Jeff Broomfield. And so you can just do a search on there, and I'll put a link down here as well for that. Anyways, so you will remember your past life regression when you come to one of my Dolores Cannon's group regression workshops. Anyways, thanks for tuning in. Stay awesome and have a good one.